Using your laptop as a PS4 monitor.
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore a fascinating topic, using your laptop as a monitor for your PS4. If you're wondering whether your laptop meets the requirements or how to set it up, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in.
Why would you want to use a laptop as a PS4 monitor?
Sometimes, you might not have access to a TV, or perhaps you just prefer the mobility and convenience of a laptop screen. By connecting your PS4 to a laptop, you can play your favorite games wherever you are. The process might sound complex, but with the right equipment, it's quite straightforward.
What are the technical requirements?
The primary question everyone has: does my laptop meet the technical requirements? Here's what you need to consider. 1. HDMI input. Most laptops come with HDMI outputs, not inputs. This means that while you can send video from your laptop to another screen, you can't receive video from another device, like a PS4. There are some gaming laptops or specialized ones with HDMI input, but they're rare. If your laptop doesn't have an HDMI input, you'll need an external capture card. 2. Decent display. While not a strict requirement, having a good quality display ensures that you'll enjoy your gaming experience. Aim for a laptop with a full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution or better. 3. Sound. Ensure your laptop has quality speakers or consider using headphones for an immersive experience.
How to connect PS4 to your laptop.
Here's a simple guide. 1. Capture card. As mentioned earlier, if your laptop doesn't have an HDMI input, you'll need an external capture card. This device will capture the video signal from your PS4 and relay it to your laptop. 2. Connect the PS4 to the capture card. Using an HDMI cable, connect your PS4's HDMI out to the capture card. 3. Connect the capture card to your laptop. Most capture cards will connect to your laptop via a USB or USB-C connection. 4. Software. Use the software that comes with the capture card to display the PS4 output on your laptop screen. Make sure you set the software to full screen mode to enjoy a complete gaming experience. In summary, while it's not as straightforward as plugging in an HDMI cable, with the right tools and a bit of patience, using your laptop as a monitor for your PS4 is entirely doable. I hope this guide has shed light on the process. Happy gaming, and until next time.